Hello everyone! Today, we are going to draw Peppa Pig and George Pig eating ice cream. Let's start by drawing Peppa Pig. First, I will draw two cute eyes, circle for her cheek. Now, I will outline the shape of her face. Next, let's draw her mouth with her tongue sticking out, as she's enjoying her ice cream. Now, I will draw Peppa's two ears, her body. Let's continue with her legs. Hands. And of course, a yummy ice cream. Since Peppa is enjoying it so much, her mouth is all messy with ice cream. Finally, I will add Peppa's tail. Now, let's draw George Pig. Starting with two cute eyes, a circle for his cheek, and the shape of his face. I will draw his two ears, and just like Peppa, let's give him a mouth with his tongue out, enjoying his ice cream too. Next, let's draw his body, two legs, tail, and hand holding the ice cream. Now, I will make the drawing thicker and more visible so that it stands out better. Wow! The drawing looks amazing. Now, let's start coloring. I'm using a red color for Peppa's dress. A pink marker for her face. And a darker pink for her cheek. Peppa is enjoying a delicious mango ice cream. Do you like mango ice cream? Next, let's color George Pig. I'll use sky blue marker for his dress, a pink marker for his face and body, and a red marker for his cheek. For the ice cream cone, I will use a brown marker. Our drawing looks amazing. See you next time.